Knowledge is power. And in this process, if you have the knowledge, then you will have the power to get the rating that you deserve. I'm all about paying it forward. I got help. I was stuck at 10% for the long time. I didn't know why I was stuck there. The truth was, I didn't know what I was doing. That's the truth. The key to everything is stay in the fight and you can possibly win your claim. Don't give up. Don't blame the VA. Get your understanding, get your knowledge, and keep walking towards the direction that you need to walk towards. Our vision is to help as many veterans as possible by way of education, teaching, coaching, and demonstration. And I cannot file your claim for you, but I can absolutely show you how to do it the right way. Understand that you have an advocate, you have someone with you every step of the way. Welcome to All Veterans Disability Claims, our comprehensive coaching program where we will walk you through step by step. We are not accredited agents or VSOs or any other entity recognized by the Department of Veterans Affairs. Veterans just like you, if you're here because you need help with your VA disability claim, you're in the right spot. We've helped veterans, whether they're just getting out the military, they've been out for 20 plus years, never filed a claim, been denied many different claims, anywhere from no percentage to 90%. Understand you're in the right spot. So what we do is we educate you on how to file your claim the right way. We educate you on how to prepare for your compensation and pension exam. Our goal is to give you all the knowledge and understanding that you need. Knowledge is power. And in this process, if you have the knowledge, then you will have the power to get the rating that you deserve. We are dedicated to educating you not only for your claim right now, but possibly for your next claim, and also to help other veterans through this process. I'm all about paying it forward. When I started learning about the VA disability claim process, I got help. I worked with a different company. The individual that helped me was the best individual. I'm all about paying it forward. I got help. I was stuck at 10% for the long time. I didn't know why I was stuck there. I went through many hardships and struggles. 10 years went by. And finally, I started making headway because I did have help, because I had some kind of assistance. I had some kind of direction. I had someone to hold my hand and say, hey, this is why they're denying you. This is why your claim is where it is. It's not because you don't have a diagnosis. It's not because of this. It's not because of that. But this is the reason why. That's what we're all about. For a long time, I was in a position to where I thought that the VA was out to get me. They didn't care about me. And I'm giving them all this information and they're just denying me. The truth was, I didn't know what I was doing. That's the truth. I didn't know what I was doing. Now that I have an understanding, and this understanding, I filed my first claim back in 2006, where I was initially denied for most and given 10% for others. I'll get you through all of that and help you understand how that actually worked out. I've helped hundreds of other veterans through this process. Hopefully you will be another one. We have a huge success rate helping people through this process. The key to everything is stay in the fight and you can possibly win your claim. Don't give up. Don't blame the VA. Get your understanding, get your knowledge, and keep walking towards the direction that you need to walk towards. So we're here. All Veterans Disability Claims. Our vision is to help as many veterans as possible by way of education, teaching, coaching, and demonstration. And I cannot file your claim for you, but I can absolutely show you how to do it the right way. I've done it for many others. I'm going to get you to where you need to be. And I know how to show you, whether it's going to be through video, through demonstration, through us actually getting on the phone and walking through it step by step. Understand that you have an advocate, you have someone with you every step of the way. Everyone's military career was unique to them. My career is unique to me. I was in the Air Force. I was a firefighter. I was an equal opportunity specialist. I did a certain amount of years active duty. I did the rest of it reserves. I retired. Some people did 4 years, some people are in the Army, whatever the situation is. Your situation is unique. We'll sit down with you, find out what your unique situation is, find out what is going to be the best strategy for you. Now it's time to file that claim, whether it be a supplemental claim or a new claim. Now it's time to prepare for that compensation and pension exam. Anyone can file a claim. Anyone can get the information and look at what the VA is looking for and all that stuff like that. File the claim and give it to them. The key to winning your claim is having a clear understanding of what they're going to ask you in your compensation and pension exam. If you got a clear understanding of that, Now you can start answering the questions the right way. Not a lie, not trying to fudge anything, not embellishing anything, but answer the questions because you have an understanding of why they're asking you those questions. The key to disability rating is understanding that a disability is a disabling situation. It's not just a diagnosis, it's a disability, meaning that it's stopping you from being able to do something, whether it's a certain activity, work, communication, mental, whatever that situation is. And because of that, now there's a possibility for compensation. If you can start that process right there, understanding what a disability is, you're leaps and bounds above many others. Most of us look at this and say, oh, I hurt myself in the military. Why aren't they giving me compensation for it? That's not how this works. It's almost like a workman's comp type situation. So that's my 2 cents. But you're here, you signed up, you're interested. I don't know where you are in the process. I'd love to find out, but go ahead and click this link, put a little bit of your information in. You'll fill out an application, talk a bit about your military career so that we can prepare for your consultation. We're not going to waste your time when we get on there. We have an opportunity to walk and talk about your disability claim and how we can possibly help you. We'll get into and answer any and all questions that you might have about this company, about me, how we can help you, and what the cost is. Understand we're not like other companies. There's lots of information out there. And if we can't help you, we're going to let you know. And if you can do it on your own, we're going to let you know. You don't have to, but let's hit that button, put your information in. Let's go. Talk to you soon.